bliss, a place of wisdom and joy.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you the 4th basic exercises.
We welcome you with compassion and radiant light, a place called
The first beat is tone, tone, bass, bass, tone. Let's try to play twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? Go! The second one is bass, bass, tone, tone, bass. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to play all the beats, each beat 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please share with your friends too. Goodbye.
We welcome you. We welcome